Formulated Materials believes that safety should be the #1 priority on any job site. Please take the time to understand and follow any OSHA or state guidelines that relate to the work at hand. With the S60 sheet waterproofing membrane installed on the deck, we are ready to begin the installation of the S60 12-inch around the perimeter of the balcony. This critical step provides proper shingling from vertical surfaces to the deck, and attention should be paid to ensure each step is carefully followed. When properly installed, the S60 12-inch will extend vertically up the exterior where it will be overlapped by the fascia and any exterior finishes. This will provide a truly watertight application. Whenever possible, this application should be accomplished by utilizing a single piece of membrane, with 9 inches applied to the vertical surface and 3 inches on the deck. Installation tools required include a knife, a tape measure, and a roller. Before beginning the application, the process will be made easier by pre-folding the membrane to provide a tight fit into the intersection of the deck and any vertical surfaces. Clamps can be used to make this process easier. Extending past the nail flange of the T-bar termination pocket onto the vertical surface by at least 3 inches, begin installing the S60 12-inch. The S60 12-inch should not overlap building wrap if it is present. Measure and make a small vertical relief cut to account for the vertical extension of the TTP trough. When you are satisfied with the fit, remove a portion of the backer and apply the S60 12-inch. From this point, work your way down the length of the membrane, ensuring a tight fit into the intersection of the deck and the wall. When encountering inside corners, make a single 3-inch cut to the portion of the membrane that will adhere to the deck. With the release backer still in place, pre-fold the S60 12-inch vertically and check the fit into the corner. The fit should be snug, with no fish mouths or gaps at the top. When you are satisfied with the fit, remove the release film and apply the membrane. Once again, ensuring there are no fish mouths or gaps at the top and the membrane fits tightly into the corner. The material on the deck will overlap at the cut you've made. Proper shingling should be maintained when you overlap here. When encountering exterior corners, make a single release cut on the portion of the membrane that will adhere to the deck to allow the vertical portion of the membrane to remain flush to the wall. Wrap the material on the vertical face around the corner. To finish each exterior corner, cut 2 6-inch squares of membrane. Make a single cut in each from the middle of one side to the center of the square, creating parallel flaps. Apply these squares so that one leg folds up the wall and the other remains flat on the deck, extending past the corner. Apply the other piece similarly, with the leg extending up the other side of the corner, overlapping on the flat surface. At each door frame, make a diagonal cut up and away from the intersection of the sill and door frame in each corner. Then fold the product back over the sill and frame, trimming any excess. To finish each sill plate and door frame intersection, cut an 8-inch square piece of S60 12-inch and make a single cut from the middle of one side to the center of the square, creating parallel flaps. Fold the piece in half and attach the uncut half to the inside of the door with 1/2 on the sill and 1/2 on the frame. Fold the flaps flush with the exterior wall and the sill plate. If needed, trim the flap extending down so that it does not extend onto the deck. With the membrane now fully applied, roll all surfaces thoroughly, applying at least 75 pounds of pressure. When rolling, pay close attention to all seams, overlaps, and membrane terminations. When completed, all surfaces should be smooth and fully adhered to the substrate with no visible blisters or fish mouths.